Man, I'm getting tired of being grounded all the time. I wonder I should get revenge to my dad or mom. What should I do? I know of what my idea is. I'm going to destroy the washing machine. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Alright, now I'm in the basement. Now to destroy the washing machine. Yes, I destroyed the washing machine. Yes, I destroyed the washing machine. Yes, I destroyed the washing machine.
Deacon, I heard that you destroyed your washing machine. Is this true?
Well, you're going to be so furious when I tell you to, but, yes, I destroyed the washing machine.
Oh 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 oh. Deacon, how dare you destroy the washing machine? Now I need a new washing machine because of you. That's it. You are grounded for 56 days. Go to your room right now and never come out again.
What?